Marketing your online business for free. This content is provided by theodorehenderson.com. Please like and share this video. Subscribe and follow us to get notified of new releases. Once you have set up your online business, you need to spend the majority of your time marketing it. It is essential that you do all that you can to get the word out about your online business. You need to drive as much targeted visitor traffic as you can. There are a number of free traffic methods that you can use to increase the number of visitors to your website, and we will take a look at some of the most effective methods here. You need to remember that free traffic methods may start slow, and will require consistent effort on your part to achieve the best results. Add content to your website. Adding new content to your website on a regular basis is a good way to generate free traffic. Your visitors will like the fact that you publish high-quality new content often and will come back for more. The search engines want you to publish new content regularly too, and will probably reward you with good rankings for the right search terms. Always publish content that is high quality on your website. Show people in your niche how to do things they're interested in, or publish a relevant case study. Quality content is always recommended. If you don't have the time to write your content, then find a good writer to outsource this to. Social media profiles. You cannot ignore social media as a way to market your online business. Facebook is the largest social media platform in the world, and it is very easy to create a Facebook page and good content there. The main idea is to increase the number of followers that you have on your social media profiles. Posting valuable content is a great way to do this, as it is very likely to be shared, and this will help to grow your following. You do not have to create a profile on all the social media platforms. Do your homework and identify which platforms are the best fit for your business. It can be really time-consuming managing different social media accounts, so only choose the ones that are likely to provide the best results for you. Search engine optimization, SEO. Whatever type of online business you are starting, it should always be your aim to get some free traffic from search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. There are a number of things that you can do to provide yourself with the best chance of ranking your pages high in the search engines for specific keywords and phrases. The first thing to do is comprehensive keyword and phrases research. You need to identify what terms people are using to search for the kind of information you provide. Then you need to optimize your content around these keywords and phrases. Email marketing. You will need an email autoresponder service to perform email marketing, so this is nearly free. The money is in the list, so make sure that you build an email list for your online business. This means that you need to capture the email address of your visitors in exchange for an incentive. Offer your visitors a free report or guide for joining your email list. If you run an e-commerce store, you could offer them a special discount. Send your email subscribers regular emails that are a mixture of value and promotional offers. Visit www.theodorehenderson.com. Access our complimentary resources and business tools.